Okay, ready, Nova? Nova. Nova Bean. You gonna try some? Nova. Hey, look. Here. Is that good? Was it yummy? Huh? Was it yummy? You're gonna be the messy eater. Elliot wasn't the messy. You're gonna be the messy one, aren't ya? Yeah. Is that good? Huh? Is it good? You want more? 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 You want more? Or you like your fingers? You gotta pull your fingers out of your mouth though to eat some. You're funny. You want more?
Yes,
You like that middle finger, do you? Mmm, yummy. You gotta get that reflex down. Figuring out how to get that stuff in your mouth and keep it in there. More? You know she's gonna reach out and grab that camera. I want the camera. Here comes the food. Here it comes. Open up. Here it comes. What's with the... Maybe you're not quite ready. You want some more? That reflex of how she thinks that she's nursing, so she pushes it out, push comes back out. Do you remember that with Elliot? You do? I totally don't remember the first time we don't think we videoed it, did we?
Probably not.
You're getting a lot more first than your brother ever got. That's for sure. Your brother definitely didn't stick his fingers in his mouth as much as you do. I remember that part. Is she swallowing that? Is it good? Yeah, you like that stuff, huh? More? Getting it. Getting it. We can share this with everyone. Noah's first eating. You happy baby. You're a happy baby. You've eaten almost half of this already. Well, minus the stuff that's all over your